Baliji. So all the debaters put across their points already. Now you have 20 minutes to to give your judgment, set the background for your judgment, and give us a judgment, please. Thank you.
So I don't think I can even judge, because they all of them have fantastic points. To me, I believe that each of you have put up points which in your space looks very valid. But if all of you all don't come together, I don't think we will be able to progress at all. Yes, India is a huge country, and to transform all the people to take responsibility is a huge task. Of course, the government has a huge responsibility. If they bring in fantastic campaigns and programs to make sure that good systems are put in place, then again it's fantastic, because with systems you need enforcement, and if enforcement is lacking, again it will fall back. So I feel all of them in the wheel, you have to plug in. All of us have a role to play, and at the same time it's the companies or the producers who have to be careful on not producing any more trash that is non-recyclable. So there is responsibility on all the sides, and I believe the primary push should come from the citizens. We are in a democracy, and if we demand something, I think finally it will happen. So citizens movement has proven to be excellent, and I understand that the people who have argued for my waste is my responsibility, or waste management is my responsibility, at the generation point of view, I think full marks to them, because that you cannot have systems created without you asking for it, because they don't even know that you are sensitive about what happened to your waste, and how it is impacting, what is the future going to be like. No government thinks of so much about environment. There were very few systems put in place, and so definitely people who have argued for that we are going to be the responsible persons, but we cannot definitely do without the others. So even the three people who argued for the government to take responsibility, full marks to them too, because you cannot have them separated. They have to come together, and of course the NGOs, and getting more and more people who would manage the waste as it increases. I think the situation also will get better. So overall, definitely I will say, I wouldn't say winner, but I will be swayed by the team which said that it is the individual's responsibility. Ultimately, I'm the generator, and I need to make sure that I segregate and I hand it over to the right agencies. If the government doesn't have a system, like example, I'll give you one example. When we started 12 years back, we didn't have any system of collection, segregated, but we went to the landfill, we understood what 60% of the waste is generated at home, and that needs to be managed only by us. If I give it out, there is no municipality which is going to manage that humongous quantity of wet waste. So it became my responsibility to start composting, and that is why I strongly will vote for people who have batted for my responsibility is the is the one that should be the beginning of any city coming into that entire waste management to be almost perfect, where everybody is segregating, the government is picking up segregated waste, they're taking it to facilities, there are NGOs who are helping big huge apartments and other things, and there are the corporates and the producers who have taken full responsibility. So that's a situation that's going to come in future, but we all need to be there. As youngsters, you all have done fantastic, putting your points through, and I'm sure you're going to take this is just a debate, but I'm sure each of you will start understanding the entire overall picture, and how each of us need to plug in to be that little, difference that we'll make. So nobody absolves of any responsibility here. It is all of us together coming in. So thank you so much for having me. And though I was nervous, I enjoyed the points put very very emphatically and beautifully with examples. So kudos to all of you. Each of you did a brilliant job, and great. Thanks, Natarajan, for having me on this show.
Great. Thank you. Thank you, Vaniji. That was a great judgment. So she put a comma there. Of course, it's a collective responsibility. At the same time, she was slightly swaying towards its individual. So she slightly indicated that. So great, Vaniji, as usual, excellent, talk. So children, you all did very well, and stick to your point and put your point across. And I think even the audience would agree with that. And thank you very much. There are a lot of messages were coming. I agree with this point. Excellent, great job, all that. So it looks like the audience are also enjoying the enjoyed the debate. Excellent. Thank you, Vaniji, for that awesome conclusion. And now we have to come to the conclusion. And I would request Keerthana to give the vote of thanks for this session.
Okay, sir. Wow, that was a thought-provoking debate. I am sure that all of you are going to take your cloth bags and water bags when you grow up. No more excuses. We all have to be responsible to make Namma Chennai clean and green. Thank you, Namma Uru Foundation, for organizing this event and giving us green champions a chance to experience the magic of Namma Uru Foundation. Thank you all for participating. Hope you start your green journey today. This is Green Champion Keerthana, Vedanta Academy, signing off.
Oh, okay. Signing off. Thank you. Thank you, Keerthana. That was wonderful. So once again, thank you all, everybody, especially our beloved Vaniji. She's, signed in all the way from Bangalore. And dedicated us this time and gave a very wonderful judgment, and also she gave a lot of points whenever the children or the participant made their points. She noted all that and highlighted the same. I hope everyone took note of it. And with this, I would like to also thank the schools, Vedanta Academy and DAV Girls Gopalapuram and Akshara Ball, for giving us the opportunity to work with their children and nurture them into this space, those who participated actively in the Traction Play 21-day challenge. I also would like to thank the audience for, Saturday evening. You all spent, with us and listening to this wonderful debate. And also I would like to thank my team, especially Kavita, who was, championing this whole thing and working with the children and giving them insights how the debate will be and all that point. So thank you very much, and the session officially ends here. But Vaniji, there are some people who were asking me, can we have a Q&A or a discussion session with Vaniji? I said, if we have time after finishing the debate, yes, we will. So now we finished the debate on time. So thank you all. Now officially the debate is over and our judge already gave the judgment. It's a collective responsibility and a little edge for the individuals to take care of their waste.